So next asana, we're going to make Supta Konasana. We place our hands sides of the body, palm facing down, feet together. Now here, same like the flow pose. In flow pose, we keep our feet together, but in a Supta Konasana, we're going to keep our feet apart, 3 feet apart distance. So pressing the hands on the floor. With inhalation, you take the legs up and slowly drop your toes over the head and open your legs apart in this position. Your feet goes away from each other and you take the right hand up and catch your right big toe with the right hand. And left hand up, you're going to catch your left hand with your left big toe. You grab the big toes very tightly in this position. Now here, you're trying to keep the back straight here using the hand, using your arm strength, your core strength to lift your spine high away from the floor. Keep the knees and thighs away from the floor, knees lifted high in this position and shoulder pressing down and try to lift the upper back high away from the floor as much possible. If somebody find difficult alternative, they can try with a bend knee, they can bend the knees in this position if somebody have really tight hamstring. But those are comfortable, they will try to straight the leg, lifting the knee high away from the ground. Try to push the thighs up and lift from the sides of the body, elongate from the sides of the trunk. Arms straight here. Now, after the Supta Konasana, we'll slowly take a few breaths in this position first. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep the knees higher as much possible. If somebody find a little difficult here, they can use a blanket the way we did the Halasana, the way we did the Sarvangasana with support of the blanket. We can keep the blanket underneath the shoulder, will really help us to comfortable our cervical. Otherwise, we get a little bit intense stretch in our cervical. If somebody have the neck pain, they can try the Supta Konasana with a blanket, with a cushion. But those are fine, no problem. We just try, lean, roll backward and trying to lift the spine high as much possible. Keep the thighs, knees higher. As you release the posture, slowly release your hand first and take the hands behind your back. Press the palms on the floor. Bring your feet together and then slowly round your back with a bend knee, roll over the back and slowly come down back to the floor. And then stretching your legs forward, feet together. Shake your leg, move your leg, feet together, relax.